Hi guys, welcome back to the Small Loft Workshop. A few weeks ago my friends at Evolution Power Tools sent me this steel Mitre Saw stand along with a battery powered Mitre Saw. The stand is very sturdy, but for a one-trick pony it does take up a lot of room in a small workshop. I thought I could convert it into a bench. In fact, I almost bought one a couple of years ago as the support structure when I made my outdoor workbench. So on a sunny bank holiday Monday, a rarity in the UK, I took my tools into the garden along with a piece of 18mm OSB and a few bits of plain softwood in an attempt to mock up the bench top. Call this a concept bench if you will. With a strange geometry, at times the build was a little bit bewildering, but I did get there in the end, and it has given me some room for thought on how I can improve this top. I would like to incorporate a router and some clamping zones. I'm going to stop talking here and let you watch my attempts. There are a couple of mid-build design changes I need to make to get the thing to work, but I think that will be self-evident in the video. Let me know if you have any further ideas that can be incorporated, or if you think I just wasted my sunny afternoon. Thanks for watching in advance and see you on the next video. Regards, JP.